Total Energies Marketing Uganda Limited ekozere ekikwenda kusikya gy'obuheereza abanya-Uganda okubaheereza n'okutungura barukureetaho enkurakurana omu ihanga omu bya gaasi hamwe n'amajuta.
Now is the time for us as leaders to seriously warn you, please come and enjoy the gas product from Total and stop destroying the environment.
But let's not stop talking about safety at the plant alone. Let's try also to educate people who are going to use these facilities, use the gas. Sometimes we get accidents at home because of negligence. Can petroleum gas also take up time to go out to radios to sensitize people? As you sell out your product, please let's sensitize the people.
Eibikiro rigombekerwa muri JINJA industrial area kandi rukozerwa ha mutindo gw'ekika ky'ahaiguru.
1
The commitment was to say we will put our money in investing in technology to ensure that we will be able to provide energy with a lower intensity. That's really the core of this commitment.
Abakuru okuruga mu kampani egi nibagira ngu eibikiro eri ebyome bibarukozeremu n'ebyamaani kugira ngu tihine majuta gona agarikubaasa kwatika.
And if we are to look at this plant as a child, it was truly raised by a village. So there were 17 companies which were involved in this project. 6 of them were European companies, 11 of them were African companies, and of those 11 African companies, there were 7 which were Ugandan, and the lead contractor, the main contractor who did all the work on the site, was a Ugandan company.
This refurbished plant is a reaffirmation of our commitment to lead the delivery of quality, reliable, clean energy to all Ugandans, especially as the country looks forward to achieving local production of LPG.
The consistency, reliability of the company, providing clean energy solutions through all the stages of this country's growth and development must be applauded.
Ekyo nibagira ngu bakikozere kwenda kureetera bakasitoma baabo okubaha amajuta na gas ebibarikubaheereza ebyine omutindo gw'ekika ky'ahaiguru. Gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.